Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2021 Tesla Model Plaid. Originally black gloss the paint was, now it's XPEL stealth film over the black. So obviously we're going to take a walk around this stealth wrap and take a look at how it turned out. And one of the key points is make sure the film is clear. On a matte, we know it's not clear, but mark free. No adhesive marks, no dirt. Everything just looks fantastic. Everything's looking good. Windshield has DynoFlex windshield protection film on it with XPEL's XR Plus window film all the way around and the moonroof. And coming back around over this side, all the film's looking good. Obviously all wrapped in. We don't want to see any gloss black edges. Got our mirrors all wrapped in all the way around, including all our edges. Coming up underneath our door sills, our A-pillars coming in all in here, wrapped all the way in, wrapped around the backside. Our hatch, same deal, coming from our quarter panels all the way around, coming into our lights and our fuel or our electrical port. Our bumper coming in here, we were able to wrap in this side, but not this side. It's just not enough room. If we were to try to cram it in there, it's gonna peel up later. So respectfully, the proper way to do it is we got it to the edge here. Our sensors, we got to cut out because they're gonna show a flag in the system. So there's a stealth piece over this, and then the circumference is trimmed out. And coming around the back side, bumpers all in one section. The bottom piece where the plate is all in one section. This was painted black, gloss black, taken off, no trimming around, reapplied back to the car. And coming around this side again, everything all wrapped in nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean. Everything's nice and clean. And coming around, obviously all our wheel wells, our rockers, all wrapped into our doors. Everything's just great. Film's nice and clear, no markings. Everything looks fantastic. Fuzz. And there it is. 2021 Plaid Stealth by XPEL. Topped off with a 5-year ceramic coating and the DynoFlex windshield protection with the XR Plus window film for the highest heat rejection available. And that's it, folks. Any questions on this 2021 Tesla Plaid, just get us on clearbrownorthdallas.com, or you can call me directly at 214-414-3809, extension 1. Thank you. Have a great day.